In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in Notion. We'll walk through the process from opening Notion to setting up your database, naming it, customizing it with properties, and even exploring automations and a larger viewing option so you can work comfortably. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. On the home page, click Login. Once you're signed in, head to your workspace. This is where all your pages and projects live. Choose the page where you want the database to appear. It could be a dashboard, a project hub, or any page you already use. With your page open, type a / on your keyboard. This brings up Notion's command menu, which is a quick way to add content. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down until you reach the database section. Here you'll see multiple options, including table view, board view, and gallery view. Each serves a different purpose. Table is great for spreadsheet-style data. Board is useful for Kanban-style workflows, and gallery is ideal for visual content cards. For this tutorial, select Table View. Notion will insert a new table on your page. Go ahead and add a name for your new database. Use something descriptive so you and your teammates know exactly what it's for. Now let's customize it. You can add entries by creating new rows. Think of each row as an item, task, or record. Across the top, you'll see properties, which are your columns. Click on a property name to rename it and change its type to fit your data. For example, you can choose text for notes, select or multi-select for categories and tags, date for deadlines, person for assigning, checkbox for simple yes, no, and more. This step shapes your database so it fits your workflow. If you need additional properties, add new columns and set their types accordingly. Notion also supports automations to save you time. Look for the automations icon and click it to create simple rules and triggers for this database, such as setting default values, moving items when a status changes, or reminding you of upcoming dates. Start small, test your rules, and refine them as you go. If you prefer a larger view while you work, click the expand icon to view your database at a bigger scale. This makes it easier to focus, especially when you have many columns or long entries. That's it. Your database is created, named, and customized with entries, properties, and optional automations ready to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.